Dear students, picking from where we stopped on the overview of the portal, would like to show you how to enroll and register without retakes. This is when you're having normal progress, and you come and click, for example, say year 1. Depending on the different years, it will be up to year 5 at least, on the drop down. And then I'll click enroll as a continuing student. For this example, if you're a fresher, you don't have to say, for first year you enroll as first semester. That's when you enroll as a fresher. And if you're in first year, second semester, you're a continuing student. So you do not have to make that mistake. There are different options here. If you're a finalist, say in year 4, year 3, and you have no retake, you'll click finalist. Okay? Amnesty, step put, those ones there are preserved for the registrars to know how to, register that. So this is for normal progress. So when you have no retakes, you leave this as no. If you have, of course, you'd click yes. But here we are saying as a normal student. So I'll click enroll. When I click enroll, it picks up all my details, as you can see, and then also the amount of tuition to pay for this particular semester. And then the registration tab becomes active. Okay? So I'll come here and click, the paper that I'm supposed to register as a normal paper, and I click add course. I'll pick another one, register as a normal paper. Say for this semester, there could be 4 or 5 that I am doing. So pick up another one. Okay. And pick up this other one as well. And then I add. So as you can see, the 5 course units. Always verify from here before you click register, because some students have made mistakes saying, oh, I registered the wrong course unit. So always check through. If you don't see the right one, you can click remove and it will go away. And then you can come back and say, add the right one. Okay? And then you ensure that it is registered. It is added. Then you click register now. So when I've registered, this shows enrolled and this shows registered. These tabs must change from red to light green, as you can see. So that is it for if you're a normal student. Thank you. The next we'll show you how to register when you have retakes or even after your final year of study. Thank you, and let's keep building for the future.